Welcome to Next Gen Language AI, Insights from Computational Linguistics, your guide to the latest breakthroughs, challenges, and the featured Structure R1 paper on AI frontiers. This episode explores fresh research from 64 new computational linguistics papers focusing on how machines reason, adapt, and communicate. Key themes include reasoning, robustness, and trust, setting the stage for a deep dive into the future of language AI. Imagine a world where your virtual assistant not only answers flawlessly, but also speaks your dialect, understands cultural nuances, and reasons out loud so you can follow its logic. Scientists worldwide are racing to bridge the gap between human and machine language, enabling AI to reason, adapt, and explain itself transparently. The core question: can these systems truly be trusted with your most important questions? Today's episode examines what is possible now and what breakthroughs lie ahead on the path to human-like language understanding. Why does computational linguistics matter now? The field is experiencing an unprecedented surge in language AI breakthroughs, as seen in the 64 recent arXiv preprint server papers, forming a cohesive research narrative. From everyday chatbots to culturally aware digital assistants, the focus is on uncovering how machines learn to understand human intent, context, and communication. This exploration aims to connect the latest research directly to its real-world impact, highlighting the transformative potential of language technologies. Think of computational linguistics as a bustling city where language meets code. Linguists map the intricate highways of communication, while computer scientists build the supporting infrastructure, algorithms, software, and hardware. AI researchers work to teach machines genuine understanding, resulting in technologies powering translation, summarization, question answering, and sentiment analysis. This city's blueprint is a blend of scientific rigor and human nuance, driving innovation across every aspect of human-machine interaction. Let us begin with the theme of structured reasoning and faithfulness, as highlighted by Wu et al. And Liu et al. In this research, language models are likened to detectives, meticulously building evidence step by step. The Structure R1 framework, introduced by Wu and colleagues, employs reinforcement learning to enhance reasoning capabilities. Meanwhile, Auto-Rubric R1V, presented by Liu et al., utilizes rubric-based rewards to improve transparency. The process resembles a math teacher verifying each calculation, where reinforcement learning guides models to learn by trial and reward, ensuring faithful and interpretable outcomes. Moving to multimodal and multilingual robustness, recent work by Zhao et al. And Ghassemi et al. Positions AI as a polyglot artist, capable of operating beyond English and across multiple modalities. The Dialect Gen project tackles dialectal variation in generative models, while Lyra demonstrates advancements in Persian and Thai language performance. This research emphasizes inclusivity, expanding AI accessibility across languages and cultures. The analogy of an artist painting, singing, and writing in any style illustrates the versatility of multimodal learning, where text, audio, and visual information are combined for richer, more adaptable language models. The third major theme is continual learning and adaptation. Research by Chen et al. Introduces sparse memory fine-tuning, a method that updates only the necessary parts of a language model during learning. Singh et al. Contribute to lifelong learning, ensuring AI retains prior knowledge while acquiring new information, similar to mastering skateboarding without forgetting how to ride a bike. This approach enables flexible, adaptable models capable of handling dynamic tasks. Technically, parameter-efficient fine-tuning allows selective model updates, optimizing memory use and maintaining performance across evolving challenges. Key findings from recent papers illustrate the field's progress through compelling mini-stories. Wu et al. Show that structure R1 can reorganize unstructured information for enhanced human-like reasoning. Lin et al. Report that fusion-augmented large language models, which aggregate multiple model outputs, achieve consensus to boost medical accuracy. Chen et al. Demonstrate that sparse fine-tuning significantly reduces model forgetting. Zhao et al. Reveal that DialectGen exposes performance gaps in dialect handling, but also offers solutions to bridge them. Notably, Liu et al. Highlight that subjective judgments, such as narrative quality, remain challenging for current AI models. The featured paper of the day is Structure R1 by Wu et al., which demonstrates how large language models can solve complex problems by dynamically leveraging structured reasoning. Structure R1 enables models to build tables, graphs, and logical chains tailored to each question, eschewing one-size-fits-all templates. Through reinforcement learning, the model receives rewards for internally consistent answers, using a self-reward mechanism to audit its own logic. This process resembles a detective's notebook, where clues are organized methodically to solve each case and ensure transparent, step-by-step reasoning. Structure R1 delivers notable results and impact. On 7 challenging benchmarks, it outperforms larger models by efficiently focusing on relevant information and minimizing ambiguity. Such advances are particularly valuable in domains like law, medicine, and scientific research, where transparent, auditable reasoning is essential. Because the model's logical steps are accessible for human review, it offers interpretable AI with clear implications for trustworthiness and explainability in critical applications. Several challenges and innovations shaped the development of Structure R1. Designing dynamic generative structure policies required balancing flexibility with consistency. The self-reward system needed to be robust enough to catch logical errors, yet flexible to encourage exploration and creative solutions. The process is analogous to assembling a puzzle, where every piece must fit perfectly for a reward to be granted. Persistent experimentation and iterative refinement ultimately led to a breakthrough, illustrating that strategic reasoning and adaptability can outperform raw computational power. Looking ahead, the future of language AI can be likened to a thriving garden. Integrating language models with retrieval engines, APIs, and specialized databases will ground their answers in up-to-date knowledge. Combining symbolic and neural methods promises greater interpretability and control over AI behavior. Multi-agent and ensemble approaches are anticipated to increase system reliability, while future evaluations will encompass cultural, ethical, and societal impacts. Each research advance is a seedling, some destined to grow into foundational technologies shaping the field's inclusive and robust ecosystem. To conclude, the city of computational linguistics is expanding, built on breakthroughs in structured reasoning, adaptability, and inclusivity, as evidenced by the work of Wu et al., Zhao et al., and Chen et al. Persistent challenges such as faithfulness, transparency, and safety remain. Progress will depend on interdisciplinary collaboration, active oversight, and an ongoing commitment to understanding the full complexity of human language. Computational linguistics continues to shape the interface between humans and intelligent machines. Listeners are encouraged to engage, read the latest papers, share insights, and actively question the trajectory of AI's role in society. This synthesis deck was created through a collaborative process combining advanced AI tools and human expertise. GPT 4.1 from OpenAI generated narrative summaries and synthesized insights from recent research papers. Text-to-speech technology from OpenAI and image generation powered by Google were utilized to produce engaging podcast visuals. All content underwent human expert review for clarity and accuracy, though minor oversights may persist. References are provided for verification, maintaining transparency and fostering trust in AI-driven knowledge sharing. Subscribe to AI Frontiers for weekly research highlights and expert interviews covering the latest trends in AI, language technology, and machine learning. Stay ahead with in-depth analysis and synthesis of cutting-edge developments. Thank you for joining this exploration of computational linguistics. Share your questions and ideas in the comments to become part of the conversation. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer, this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.